we discussed the poem, The Lebanon Probe. In this poem, we discussed a scene that was there in the September month. September month is the beginning of autumn, and because of autumn, there was silent all around, and the Lebanon Probe was still there was no movement in the tree. Just then, a bird goldfinch came there. She made many chirping, twittering, etc. And by that there was a movement in the tree. And then the bird flew away. The bird is compared here with two things. One is with the lizard and second is with the engine by the poet. Now, question answer is there. First question is what is the similarity between the beginning and ending of the poem? In the beginning, there was still silence on the top of a Lebanon tree. But then birds came there, birds made many movements. But in the end, once again, the tree top is silent and still. Second question is what is the bird's movement compared to? And what is the basis of the comparison? The bird's movement is compared to a lizard because lizard is very active and energetic. In the same way, the bird is energetic, active, just like the lizard. Third question is why is the image evoked by the engine? There are two reasons. First, engine made noise when it starts. In the same way, the bird makes many noise. Second, engine runs a machine. In the same way, the bird which is a sheep and she also runs her family. That is why there is a comparison between the engine and the bird called finch. Next question is what do you like most in the poem? Means the bird's movement is liked by us because of these movements moments there are energy, activeness, strength. That is why we like the movements made by the bird. Last question is what does the phrase her identity mask means? Her buried face is her identity mask. What does it mean? Goldfinch has many strips on her face, and because of these strips, we can easily recognize and identify the bird. We can identify that the bird is goldfinch. That is why we say her parrot face is identity mask. Thanks.